The grass plane can be found in SASSE Library under Assets, Ground Planes, and you can drag and drop it into your scene. This is one of the shaders that works better, in my opinion, with shadows turned off. So if it's possible, if you use something like a Goo engine, if this feature becomes available in Blender and you can turn off shadows for specific objects, I would recommend turning them off for this object, or alternatively, you can just turn them off in your scene. And this is a better representation of that stylized grass effect. So we will click the effect, go into our modifiers tab, into the grass plane panel. Just like the cracked rock plane, we can make it larger in any given dimension, change the resolution that it has to work with along each axis, the displacement, width and height, and the subdivisions that we use. It's a little less apparent here because I'm distributing the grass blades on the surface of the plane, but it does smooth out if we do that. Next, we have the actual grass blades themselves, so we can increase or decrease the height. The density we can lower, so that's what it looks like with just a few of these on the ground. The default, I believe, is 1200. Subdivisions determine how many subdivisions we have on those blades of grass. So you can see them smoothing out, getting quite smooth. And there we go. We can change the color. And we can change the scale of the noise on the grass surface. Can also animate it. So I believe, yeah, we hit play. It won't be animating by default, but we can click auto animate. And now we've got a little bit of wind blowing through the grass. We can determine the speed that it happens, that it's blowing at, and the range of rotation of the blades. So how kind of randomized they are. So 0 and then 1, I think it'll, yeah, it just makes them absolutely crazy. So 0.2 is the default. It just kind of randomizes them a bit, breaks it up a little.